see, what I see some of the most conflict coming from is a lot of conflict that I've seen on projects has come from there's this odd, like, in the middle of the process that where construction gets turned over to the GC, buys into it. There's a lot of frustration with the level of coordination that design documents have. And I have to tell you, Dagan, I really sympathize with design and engineering teams these days, because there's a real high level of expected coordinated drawings, right? And they're already working on incredibly slim margins to begin with, and slim time. Like, their back is against the wall from day one. And when they turn over their documents to the other teams involved in a project, there seems to be a lot of frustration I've seen with, well, these documents don't have enough of this. They aren't coordinated and things like that. Well, I find that to be hard. Like, of course they're not coordinated. They'll design documents. It's from the design team. They've had a hard time trying to get to their milestones, let alone produce documents that are ready to be buildable, without having the ability to coordinate them while designing them at the same time, with these very tight margins and these really accelerated project schedules that have really put a lot of pressure on being able to for design teams to work efficiently and effectively, and then having them come back during the coordination and construction phase to answer RFIs and change orders and issue out addendums. I got to tell you, I mean, I really feel sympathetic for some of these teams, because they do an excellent job. They really do. But it's tough for them to be able to keep up with some of the tools, some of the softwares that are coming out, and to be able to still be able to produce what they need to produce on a liability level, right? What they actually own on a contract level, and still be able to meet those expectations and still be a productive team member on a project.